If you've been wondering how to see a locked profile on Facebook, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly what you can and cannot do when a profile is locked, and the safe, proper way to view more of someone's profile if they choose to accept your request. A lot of people search for tricks or shortcuts, but the reality is that locked profiles cannot be fully viewed unless the person allows access. So let's clear that up right away and walk through the correct process step by step. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple social media tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel and it lets you stay updated with more helpful guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Facebook and go to the profile of the person you want to view. When a profile is locked, Facebook limits what you can see. In most cases, you may only be able to view the profile picture, the cover photo, and a few pieces of public information. You will not be able to scroll through their full posts, photos, or personal details like you would on a public profile. That's because the locked profile feature is designed to protect privacy. So if you're looking for a way to completely bypass that, there isn't a legitimate method to do that. The safest and most respectful option is to send a friend request. If the person knows you and wants to connect, they can accept your request and then you'll be able to see more of their profile content. To do that, look for the Add Friend button on their profile page and tap or click it. Once the request is sent, all you can really do is wait. If they accept, Facebook will unlock more visibility between you and that profile depending on their privacy settings. If they don't accept, then the profile stays limited and that's expected. If you're trying to check whether the person has any mutual details available, you can look for public information that Facebook shows on the profile page. Sometimes you may see a profile photo, a cover image, or a short bio. But again, anything beyond that is usually restricted when the profile is locked. It's also important to be careful about websites, browser extensions, or apps that claim they can reveal locked Facebook profiles. Most of those are unreliable, and some can even put your account at risk. For your security, avoid entering your login details on any third-party site that promises secret access. The only real way to see more is through a friend request and the person's approval. So to recap, if you want to see a locked profile on Facebook, open the profile, view the limited public information that is available, and send a friend request. If the request is accepted, you'll gain more access based on their privacy settings. If it isn't accepted, the profile remains private and that privacy should be respected. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy Facebook tips and social media guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.